Lion footwear so great, and give the people real dancehall vibes. Lion foot feeling great. I'm a free up the people with good vibes. Lion foot, you're so great, cause you're blessed by the most high.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Big man go run it off feed them. Yo, me say, big up a world star sound, and the only sound that no boy can go round. Anyone violate go lose them ground. When the British shoes the play box them down around. World star sound, and the go call them loyal fans. Real recognize, real not the fake ones. Come on the British right now say you a hypocrite. No more boom fist for me man shake hand. Me nah go run left me friends on my road. Me nah refuse fi help them with the load. And if they never find themselves homeless, them always welcome wish but I aboard. When the British don't fall no friend fi set up him life. Behind him back all a try look him wife. Big up all who want see when the British drive. And who no go him fi the car where him drive. Me no want no friend fi friend me. Bless, hello and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed, and as usual I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know, health over wealth, and your health is your wealth, so take care of it. Anyone in there all over the world, wake up on yourself, my subscribers, kings and queens. Yeah man, and the viewers them who not subscribe yet, please consider doing so. You don't know your support is always appreciated. Then, whether you want to leave a comment or not. Yes, what I say, I want to love with unity over scrutiny. Yeah man, big up the people them who show gratitude and grateful for the local help that them get from someone. No matter what, always remember to show gratitude, zine, and lower the dirty stinking attitude. Self-ego, no sir. Yes, what I say, my viewers and subscribers, yes. So in this topic, there's a little quick reasoning. You see? Quick reasoning. So we're going to have a little chat in the comment section. Yeah man, so yes, about, as I can see on the screen, Paul Zine urges, repeats call for the government to embrace solar system, solar panels to reduce or eradicate, diminish the cost of light, JPS, and them light bill business. So me I say?
People, this is realrasimaric. Man, say I'm tired and fed up, you know, man.
Yeah, you know, JPS always overcharge the people, and we see a lot of celebrity cry out, like the man himself, the great Vibes Cartel. You know, we see Tanner Stevens, we see enough other celebrities like artists, singers, you know what I mean, and even hard-working people themselves. You know what I mean? Say them lock up them house and gone, leave out of the country or whatever, and them and nothing I use. Zine, we see Ayactine recently do it as well. I wash him clothes and I say, yo, JPS, can't rap me. Zine? Yeah, so them always overcharge people. And I think JPS them thief and them cruel and them harsh. Zine? But until we need some more competitors. You see, like in Europe, even England here, you have more than one energy supplier. Zine? More than one energy supplier. You know? Yeah, you have more than one energy supplier. So people have choices. You know, so if you want to raise up them price for them eating or percent or whatever, you know, you have choice to go source to our next one and here for them, have a negotiation with them and here for them price and whatever, you know?
We're tired. Only need to put on the gun. Right now, it's to Madrid and Rastmagan. I want them people here.
Yeah, but I think until then, JPS have more competitors. It not going to change. And them keep on that overcharge people. As I can see, Mr. Paul, a man in the government system, I urge the Prime Minister to consider solar panels. Now, solar panels might be expensive, but I think that's the best way to move forward.
You know what I mean? For the new generation and years to come beyond. Enough people have solar panel upon them house. You see? So when it charge up, you have to use your current. You see me? So that's a new way. But you don't know when a new thing, invention come in, people always have ways to go around it, and you know, it might be expensive, but you have small enough people can provide, or you just save and get a solar, save up, buy a solar panel. You see me I say? Yeah man, government them, JPS them, you know. So I hope the government listen to this cry and support the people them. You see it? Yes man, and before I'm going on, I just want to big up each and everyone on the platform, you know, hold up a love and respect. Give thanks for the support wherever you're there. Just be grateful, and you don't know, things might seem rough, but there's a way out, you know. Just go and hold the faith, and it's never too late. You see me, be grateful for the little that you have, and you don't know, hold up blessings, and you know the world I run red right now, so be careful. Earth I run red, you know, so be careful. Watch your step, not trust no one. No, you know what I mean? And just, when you're up on the road, just look over your shoulder. See, because a whole heap of things are going on there on earth, you know? And earth and life, you have to just learn to study and understand life. You see me? Yeah, man, nothing but a whole heap of love and respect, and you don't know. Guidance and protection upon you and your loved ones. You see it? Yeah, man. And that's why we are, you know, I just want to say big up everyone, say. Big up everyone, big up everyone, big up everyone, big up everyone. Whole heap of love and respect. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So let me know what you think, my kings and queens, my lioness, and big shout out to everyone on the platform. You know what I mean? All who subscribe and all who don't. I don't know a lion foot. I will keep it real on the battlefield. May God bless you throughout your day. Blessed Monday. See, this is just a quick reason, and you don't know. I whole heap of love and respect, and give thanks for the support. See? I highly appreciate it again. So let me know what you think about the solar panel. You know what I mean? In Jamaica right now. If it's a good thing or it would be a bad thing. See? Big up on the damn self. I'm out. Not another word out of me mouth.
Worry man, but when it all feed them. Yo, me say, big up a world star sound, and the only sound that no boy can go round. Any boy violate a go lose them ground. When the British use the play box, them gonna down. World star sound, and big up all them loyal fans. Real recognize, real not the fake ones. Come when the British find out, say you a hypocrite. No more boom fist for me, man, shake hand. Me nah go run left me friends on my road. Me nah refuse fi help them with the load. And if they never find themselves homeless, them always welcome wish but I aboard. When the British don't find a friend, we set up him life. Behind him back all a try looking wife. Big up all who want see when the British drive, and who no grudge him for the car where him drive. Me no want a friend.
Thanks for watching. Your support is highly appreciated. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will always get that alert when I post a new content. And feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Your thoughts and opinion I would like to know. Until then, stay safe. Gone. Walk good. I'm out. God bless you.